Number 1. Marcus started the month with a balance of $75 in his checking account. He made a deposit of $12.50 and wrote 3 checks in the amounts of $25, $58.75, and $32. What is the balance in his checking account now? A. $3.75, B. $0, C. negative $18.75, D. negative $28.25. Number 2. Star G31 burns at 6.4 times 10 to the power of 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Star K64 burns at 5.2 times 10 to the power of 4 degrees Fahrenheit. How much hotter is star G31 than star K64? A. 588,000 degrees, B. 692,000 degrees, C. 1,200 degrees, D. 1,600 degrees. Number 3. The Driscoll Mountain sits at an elevation of 535 feet above sea level, and New Orleans is 8 feet below sea level. What is the difference between these two elevations? Sea level is at 0 feet. A. 527 feet, B. negative 527 feet, C. 543 feet, D. negative 543 feet. Number 4. Students are reading the same book from Mrs. Bigger's book club. Kaylin read 1/5 of the book. Weston read 3/4 of the book. Nikki read 48% of the book. Beckett has only 0.33 left to read. Who has read the least amount of the book? A. Kaylin, B. Weston, C. Nikki, D. Beckett. Number 5. A set of parentheses is missing from the expression below. Which of the following expressions has the parentheses in the correct place for the expression to equal 14? Number 6. Mrs. Hoschel wrote 4 numbers on the board and asked Haley to circle the number closest to 7. Which number should Haley choose? A. The square root of 3, B. The square root of 15, C. Square root of 45, D. Square root of 60. Number 7. Which choice below shows the numbers in ascending order? A. 2, negative 4, 4, negative 7. B. negative 7, negative 4, 2, 4. C. negative 7, 4, negative 4, 2. D. 4, 2, negative 4, negative 7. Number 8. The record for the greatest distance walked in 24 hours is held by Jesse. In September of 1976, he walked 142.25 miles in 24 hours. How would this distance be represented in scientific notation? A. 14.225 times 10 to the power of 1. B. 1.4225 times 10 to the power of 2. C. 14.225 1.225 times 10 to the power of negative 1. D. 1.4225 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Number 9. Use the thermometers to determine how much temperature increased between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. So at 8 a.m. it was negative 8 degrees. At 12 p.m. it was at 23 degrees. A, 14 degrees. B, 15 degrees. C, 30 degrees. D, 31 degrees. Number 10. The PE coach kept track of how far students could run in 25 seconds. Ravi was able to run 78 miles in 25 seconds. Mike, 0.58 miles in 25 seconds. April, 1/4 of a mile in 25 seconds. Christina, 7/10 of a mile in 25 seconds. Dwight, 0.57 miles in 25 seconds. And Marcus, 5/8 of a mile in 25 seconds. Which kids completed at least 60% of a mile? A. Ravi, Mike, and Dwight. B. Christina, Marcus, and Ravi. C. Marcus, Mike, and Christina. D. Ravi, Marcus, and April. Number 11. The square root of 125 is closest to which of the following positive integers? A. 25. B. 10. C. 11. D. 15. Number 12. Which fraction in the grouping is not equivalent to the others? So inside the grouping we have 15/20ths, 9/15ths, 27/36, 6/8, 21/28, 36/48. So which fraction in the grouping is not equivalent to the others? A. 6/8, B. 15/20, C. 9/15, or D. 27/36. Number 13. Simplify the following expression. 5 plus parentheses 5 times 2 minus 1 close parentheses divided by 3 times 2. A. 32. B. 20. C. 17. D. 11. Number 14. The average width of a strand of a spider web is 7 times 10 to the power of negative 6 meter. Which expression represents this number in standard form? A. 7 million meters. B. 700,000 meters. C. 0.00007 meters. D. 0.00007 meters. Number 15. A submarine is at a depth of 125 feet below sea level. It ascends 40 feet, then descends 6 feet every hour for 9 hours. It ascends another 7 feet. Which integer describes the submarine's new position in relation to sea level? A. Negative 200 feet. B. negative 186 feet, C, negative 132 feet, D, negative 726 feet. Number 16. Place the following rational and irrational numbers in the correct location on the number line. The square root of 100, negative 5, 1/2, square root of 28, and negative 850%. Number 17. Solve the expression. 5 times 5 plus parentheses 32 divided by 8 close parentheses minus 2 over 3. Number 18. Solve the expression. 7 squared plus parentheses 10 minus 7 close parentheses minus 2 times 4. Number 19. Find the square root of negative square root of 144. Number 20. Find the square root of 1 over 81. When you're finished, be sure that you recorded all of your answers on your recording sheet.